Hey y'all, it's Sherry from Sherry K Loves Yarn and Crochet, and I'm coming on here today to show you some happy mail. Now you know that I won a giveaway from Darla, the Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla, and it arrived this afternoon when I got home from work. So I am going to open it. Sorry for the rustling and for the whining of the puppy. She doesn't like being put in her kennel, but for right now, we need to do it. Be careful opening it. Okie dokie, let's see if I can find a card or a letter. And it's just a private little note, but she put this on the letter. It looks like a little stitch marker right there. Get it a little closer. Very pretty. Alrighty. This is one of the things I was waiting for. Maybe if I can get it out of the package. I saw her wearing a pair, and I was like, oh, I like those. I can wear them next year. The little. These are cute. And they've got sequins on there. Those are cool. And a bunch of these sparkly little hearts. I don't know where my camera is, as you can tell. And then we got two skeins, both the same colorway, from Hobby. It's the Hobby Universe. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester, and there's 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 462 meters, or 505 yards. Now that's a gorgeous color, and it's sparkly. There's browns and a dusky pink and some mauves. Very pretty. And that's two skeins of that. Let's see. And some socks with the Canadian maple leaf on it. It's wrapped. Ooh, candy. I got somebody sitting beside me looking at the candy. marshmallow hearts. And then fudge hearts. Another wrapped one. Ooh. Cool. Let's see if I can bury him with the paper. Toggles for making bracelets or necklaces. German style wire. Elastic jewelry cord. And a pair of scissors. We all need scissors. And then two more of the Hobby Universe. Now these do not have color names, but this is a beautiful, oh, there we go. Pretty blues. Two of those. A succulent. Which I can put with my real live succulents. If you could only see them. Some little wooden butterflies on clothespins. That I can paint. And then a fairy garden, which I have a couple of pieces already that we put in our herbs. Labels. And some stickers. These are gorgeous. And treat bags. Thank you, Darla. I love it all. It will come in handy because I've been trying to make stitch markers. So a lot of this will come in handy with that too. And the yarn is gorgeous. I love it. I've never worked with that one. So that is the end of my Happy Mail. Thank you, Darla, again. Now he wants my garbage. And we will see you again another day. On second thought, we will be going to St. Albans, Vermont, Saturday to a train show. And we've got a couple of tables there that we're going to try and sell some of his N-scale trains. And
it's the Northwest Modelers Association train show in St. Albans, Vermont. And we're going up as the Rutland Railway Association organization, and we're selling off N-scale, YNL, HO, trains, buildings, and structures to further fund the museum, as well as to further fund the construction of the layouts and the restoration of the number 45 Rutland caboose from 1936. Thank you.
Anyway, I'll put that website and email address on this video. That way you can check out the Facebook page as well. But thank you, Darla. I love it. See y'all later.